In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope that you are in the best of your health by the grace of Allah Almighty and enjoying a good time with your family. From the Educators Online Support, I am here to explain you some important points regarding summer vacation homework, syllabus for monthly test, and booklet of class 9th. Dear students, as you can see, the first page is about instructions. Read all these instructions carefully and follow them. These guidelines will help the students and parents to complete their work easily and spend quality time. As in summer vacation homework, syllabus is given for monthly test, but from the whole syllabus, only selected topics are mentioned to write or to practice on the registers. The first subject is mathematics. Complete syllabus for monthly test is chapter number 1 and 2. You will prepare both the chapters for monthly test, but only some selective questions from both the chapters are given to write on the registers. The same as with the physics book. You are studying physics book of class 9th, where in class 8th, the syllabus for monthly test is chapter number 1 that will be completely prepared. But again, selective questions are mentioned here to write on the registers, as same as with all the subjects. Dear students, it is very important to do all this work in good handwriting with proper presentation using blue pen, blue marker and scale as guided by the teachers in classes. As here, question number 1 of physics has been shown to guide you more clearly. Dear students, you are studying 5 subjects of class 9th here in class 8. These are English, Urdu, Islamiyat, Pakistan Studies and Physics. And this is the booklet of class 9th. School has provided this booklet for better understanding of concepts and for the preparation of these 5 subjects. The subjects like biology, chemistry, computer and mathematics of class 9 are also included in this booklet, and these will be taught in class pre-9th and 9th inshallah. Dear students, you will use this booklet in class 8th, pre-9th and 9th till 2023. So keep it with yourself safely. I hope that I have guided you enough. Now you can easily complete your summer vacation homework. Good luck for your monthly test preparation. Jazakallah.